In this video, I show you how to fix optimizing the photo. Please avoid problem on camera app. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Scroll down, find out camera app, tap on it, tap on force stop, then OK. Then tap on storage and cache, clear the storage, then delete. Now tap on permission, allow location permission. Now open camera app. Done. Now click photo. Now I hope that this method fix camera optimizing the photo. Please avoid problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.